We got something special for you. Got a Segway here, and my buddy Bill is going to try and teach me how to drive it. And I think I'm going to let Mike try and videotape it. All right, here you go, buddy. It's rolling.
Thank you.
Okay, is what you got to do is one hand on it.
Right.
And then just one foot on it.
Right.
And then just pick up.
Okay. And you lean forward and back.
Lean forward and back. Okay. I'm going to be right here holding on to it.
All right. If I start flowing, I'm going to grab you.
All right. That's it.
All right.
Oh, move them forward.
Okay.
All right.
And then this one?
Yep.
Whoa! Holy Christ! All right.
Don't move this so fast.
I'm all right. I'm all right. Whoa! Whoa! Why am I going backwards?
Right, because you're fighting it backwards.
I want to
Lean
forward.
forward.
There we go.
Lean forward.
All right.
Magic.
Now I have to turn to go this way.
Yep.
All right. Here we go.
Look at him teaching an old dog new tricks.
Look at that.
Look at him go.
I'm going to try and stop. There we go.
That's
There
it.
we go. I'm going to try and turn around now.
He's a natural. Look at the concentration. Both hands on the wheel, both hands on the wheel.
No.
Oh, you're not ready for that.
Not ready for that yet. All right, back up, man.
That's it.
Look at that, magic.
I gotta get one. You want one, Mike?
I think I might want to try that now.
All right, now how do you get off, Bill?
Now wait a minute now. Okay. Take one hand off.
Right.
And then take the one foot off.
Which, this foot?
Yeah. Step down. That's it.
Here you go. Mike, there's no dead man on there.
No?
No.
Ah, how about that?
You want to
All
try?
right.
I'll try it.
All right, let me grab it, Mike. I got you, buddy.
All right.
Good luck. Don't break nothing.
Just put the one
All right.
foot on, hold on to this. Now,
Can you imagine that? Got an 82-year-old man teaching us how to try and drive this thing.
and the other foot.
Okay. Ooh, wow. So I lean forward, huh?
Lean forward.
Wow, oh my goodness.
And if you want to stop, you lean back. Not too much.
Try to stop.
You go back up.
Look backwards. So really, you can, like, just your ankle movement controls it, huh?
Yeah.
Like that way, you know, concrete highway down 11 or 10 miles.
Concentration.
Yeah. We went into whatever that town was.
Now tilting the handle turns it, huh?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Yeah, just
Yeah, right there.
Not-
And there's
don't
a Walmart
turn.
where we get one.
You're doing pretty good. Mike catches on this kind of stuff pretty good. I did when I was younger, but
It's like just kind of flying, huh?
yes.
now you're kicking into high gear there, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him go.
Hey.
This thing does have 2 speeds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right
wow.
now it's set for up.
Hello. I'm glad you didn't tell me that.
Oh, and
My
you
God.
have to set it through the controller.
Oh, all right. You would have had to pick me up in Clarion.
Yeah. He's doing good.
Yeah, it is.
Right. It takes the bumps, no problem.
It does. You think you would need shocks, but it
How do I
don't.
dismount?
All right. You're going to dismount.
Stopping.
Take that hand off.
Yeah.
Right, and then step down.
Step down.
That's perfect.
Oh, that's pretty good. Pretty good, man. Tell Leo I want to buy it.
Oh yeah, it's padded. Oh yeah. And it's standing there all tune, huh?
Yeah, sometimes it will, sometimes it with the ground.
Wow.
Jelly in.
All right, working man, coming through here. Working man.
It's standing there like a dog.
If you look down here,
Yeah.
you see the lights.
Oh, it's sensing, huh?
Yeah.
Got gyroscope in there or
Look at
something.
the thing is actually moving.
Yeah, it's got gyroscope in there.
That's,
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on up front here, but
And it will last all day.
yeah.
It'll run all day.
When you're not zooming around, I guess it doesn't need much power, huh?
what kind of batteries in there, Bill? Can we see them?
No, they're in here.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is just a suitcase.
This is just a
Your lunchbox.
Yep.
Saddlebags. Huh.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Key lock and everything.
Yeah.
You guys can send your donations to Road King so we can buy one of these. And we want to have one by next show. Pretty cool, man.
And it's got a. This is the thing that shuts it off and turns it back on again.
Oh, it's a remote, like a key fob.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yep.
And that's your battery power.
And you can also change the speed in this.
Oh,
That's what he
Right
said
now.
while you were going. He said, you know, you can change the speed in that. So, yeah, I'm glad you didn't tell me that.
Yeah, we
But,
got it on
but you have to do it here.
Right,
So-
okay, that's safe.
Very cool.
And it tells you the battery level.
Oh, that's good too.
Yeah, I'm serious. I wouldn't mind getting one of them, bud. Me and you
Yeah,
cruise around together?
Yep. I'm
Very
still
nice.
debating yet.
Yeah.
They're like $6.
I thought you said you can get them used for like 25.
Huh?
I thought you said you can get them used for 25.
Used, yeah.
Well, you don't want a new one. That thing's fine.
Yeah.
Look at him go. All right. Thanks a lot, bud.
Okay.
Look at him. We have all kinds of fun at this show. You have fun, buddy? Yeah, Mike loves that kind of stuff. Look at him. Look at the old man go. Crazy old man. All right. Enough of this.